Hi everyone. So I just wanted to make a quick video to update all of you, letting you know that it looks like my jewelry kit for Rhino might now work on Macintosh computers. I don't know that 100% for certain, but I have had one user tell me that it worked on their Macintosh computer. So what I'm doing now is opening up the free version of the kit to Windows and Mac. So if you have a Macintosh computer and you've got Rhino 6, 7, or 8 installed on your computer and you're interested in this jewelry kit, I'll leave a link below the description of the video that you can click on. It will bring you to this page right here. You can just click on free download. When you do, it's going to bring you to this page. It's going to make you watch an ad for 20 seconds. After the ad, it will then display the download links, and you need to download all 3 files: the installer script, the zip file, and the installation guide. And then you need to follow the steps in the installation guide. Now here soon I may have a video, put up an updated video showing how to install the kit. I have an older video that is no longer correct because I've changed how the installation works. But follow the steps in the installation guide unless I've uploaded an updated installation video, which I hope to do soon. So follow that and it should install for you just fine. And let me know if it works. Let me know in the comments, or on the kits page you can contact me right here. I've got they've got a little envelope icon. If you click on that, it allows you to message me over at cgtrader.com. So if you have any questions, if you have any problems with the installation process or anything like that, just let me know either privately through the contact here or in the YouTube comments. That will be fine, and I'll do what I can to try to help you out. Now, if enough of you say that it works on your Macintosh computers, I'll probably go ahead and open up the paid version of the kit to Windows and Mac as well. It's really the same kit. It's just that the kit, the paid version, has more models, more materials, and more tools. So if the free version of the kit works, the paid version should as well. But right now I'm advertising this as Windows only because just in case it doesn't work on Macintosh computers, I don't want you to think that it could and then it doesn't, and then I don't have the ability to guarantee that you have that you get a refund over there at cgtrader.com. They have a refund process. You can request a refund, but I don't have any control over whether or not it gets approved. So that's why I'm advertising this as Windows only right now. But if enough of you tell me that it works on your Macintosh computers, I'll probably go ahead and open this up, the paid version, to Macintosh computers as well. And it'll say Windows and Mac here also. But please let me know in the comments or by contacting me over here at cgtrader.com, and let me know if it works on your Macintosh computers. This is something I've been working to get it to work on Macintosh computers for a while. I don't have a Macintosh, so it's been really difficult. I've had to rely on other people letting me know what kind of error messages they see and whatnot. But so it's taken a year. Or around a year, but it looks like I may have finally got it working on Macs. So I thank y'all for your patience. If you've already paid for the paid version of the kit, like maybe in the past year or so, and you had a Macintosh, because originally I didn't know that it didn't work on Macintosh computers, so you may have bought the kit last year and maybe it didn't work on your computer. You can actually just click on your little account icon here and click on purchases, and it will bring you to your purchases, and you can see where, let's see if I do that right now. You see my purchases here, and you can just click on download. So I didn't buy my own kit, but I do have some purchases here. You can click on download and it will bring you to the download page where you can download the new files. Okay, so you will have access to the new version of the kit if you've previously purchased it. All right, so if you have a Macintosh and you bought the kit in the past and found out it didn't work, go ahead and click on purchases, come here and find the jewelry kit item, and then click on download next to that, and it'll take you to the download page, and you can download the new files and install the new version of the kit. And again, if you have any problems, feel free to contact me. It should be somewhere on the kit page. You should be able to find a way, or you can click on my profile. And I don't think I can see it, but I think I might have a contact button here as well if you're if you're a different account looking at my profile page here. But all right, so I just wanted to let y'all know that it might possibly work on Macintosh computers now, and get some of you to try that out. Try out the free version of the kit and let me know, and then we'll go from there. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see all of you in future videos.